Hey guys, good morning. So a little different video this morning. I'm not at the sawmill. I'm actually leaving my house right now and we're hitting the road today. We're going to pick up a new piece of equipment. So we got about a 2.5 hour drive and we're going to take the pickup. I got the essentials: coffee, water, snacks. Stole that cooler bag from my wife, so we'll try to keep that clean. So I'm ready to go. Let's hit the road. We made it a half mile. Figured we'd get this out of the way right away. It's not fun. That number's gonna get a lot higher. So we're about an hour into it. I'm all jacked up on caffeine. I have nobody to talk to here, so I figured I'd talk at you a little bit. We just left the mountain area, kind of where we live, moving into the center part of the state near Lancaster. That's farm country. Some of the best farmland on the East Coast, actually. So it's a nice ride. We left early enough, kind of beating traffic. Not terrible yet. I'll give you a clue where we're headed. If you can see those boxes in the back behind me, those are Wood-Mizer blades. We're dropping them off when we pick up this machine. So that might give somebody out there a clue as to where we're headed. But it's been a nice drive so far. One thing I'm not so happy about, if you can see those two lights on my dash, I've been waiting for an ABS module for this truck for 6 months now. Dealer can't get one. $1,400 for the module. There's nothing wrong with my brakes, but the problem is the module is bad and it tells the computer, however all that digital stuff works, that there's a problem. So it flashes those lights and beeps at me every 5-10 minutes or so, which you get used to over time. The bad part is I can't use cruise control when that's on. So there's actually nothing wrong with my brakes, but it's going to cost me $1,400. They can't get the part and I don't have cruise control. So that's kind of a nuisance. And yes, you read that right if you can see that. We're cruising at a whopping 14 miles to the gallon, but hopefully that'll go up here with some more highway driving. My miles per gallon is terrible because I tow a lot, and where we live in the mountains, it's a lot of short trips up and down. So we'll probably get that up to 16, 17 miles. So we got about 100 miles to go. So I'll let you know when we get a little closer. There's some of that beautiful farmland I was telling you about. Hey you guys, we are here. So where is here? Apparently the middle of nowhere, because I swear we left civilization about 20 minutes ago. But here is actually Pennsylvania Wood-Mizer. So I'm going to get parked here and we'll see what they got for us to get loaded up. Alright guys, here we are, PA Wood-Mizer. Check out these beauties. Whole line of sawmills. No, I didn't buy a sawmill. I wish I was hitching one of these up and taking them home with me, but we're going to stick with our 2000 LT40 Super. Just wanted to show you that, make you drool a little bit. Behind me there you can see they got a bunch of blades. Through that door is the Resharp. They just showed me all that operation. They have a really neat operation here. Marty Parsons is the guy that runs it. I just spent about an hour talking to him. Super nice guy. They do all kinds of maintenance. They tear down the mills, rebuild them, everything. Any kind of maintenance that needs to be done. They have a lot of parts in stock and have a constant flow of work coming in here. He was just telling me how busy they are with new mills and all that stuff. So really nice operation, really nice people. But no, I didn't come here for a sawmill, unfortunately. But I'm pretty excited with what I do have here. So I got it all strapped down. It's all loaded up in a big old crate. But you guys are gonna have to wait a little bit longer to see what's in there. That's right, I'm gonna tease you a little bit longer. When we get back, we'll unbox it. It'll be like Christmas Day. So I'll see you back at the shop. Gas station hoagie is what's for lunch. Fine dining at its worst. we made it, and I can't wait to get out of this truck. How do you like my new hat? So let's get parked, let's get this thing unloaded and open it up and see what we got. Alright, we got it unloaded. We're in what I call my back shop here. It's where I do my repair work and stuff like that. I'm going to keep it in here for right now until I'm ready. I'm still working on a few orders with the old machine before I can get this hooked up and in place. So it's going to stay here for a while. But without further ado, let's cut this thing open, see what we got. Guess maybe I should have had the tools on hand before I started filming to figure out how to cut this open. Let's see, do we have a Phillips tip? I'm going to save this sheet of particle board. Do you know what this stuff goes for these days? That's a good value right there. It's a pretty neat setup. Check that out, the whole crate just folds up. Does anybody know what this is yet? Turns out I have it backwards. Sorry, I didn't know which way it was gonna be in the crate. I think that's enough to get the picture. Let me show you what we're working with here. This is a brand spanking new Wood-Mizer MP360 four-sided planer molder. If you've seen my other videos, you know I'm running the Logasol PH260. That is the same as the Wood-Mizer MP260. Wood-Mizer bought out the company that made these. So this thing is going to be awesome. Figure out how to open the gate. Yeah. Boy, they sure lubed it up enough. That is going to be a nice unit. So like I said, it's going to be a little while until I get this thing up and running. I need to finish up the orders I have on hand until I get a little break in the action. And I got to tear down my old one, move this one in place. I'm going to have a lot of content coming on this, guys. My first impressions, installation. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison with a 260 and a 360 because I know there's probably a lot of people out there that are interested in these machines, and I don't think that information really exists that well, and I've been running a 260 for so long. I feel like I'll be able to give you a good summarization of the differences between the two. I'm really excited to get into this. This is something I've wanted for a long time, and just so happened the timing worked out right this year, and you know, everything worked out well that I was able to get one of these ordered and get it. So I'm thrilled to have this. Thanks for riding along with me. And you're going to be seeing a lot more of this, so I can't wait to dig into this. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more of this, make sure you like and subscribe, and there'll be a lot more content coming. Thanks again. Catch you next time.